Yeah, smoking that gas, counting them bags. Nigga, we do this shit every day. Popping them tags, we fresh on your ass. Yeah, we be dripping like every day.
You motherfuckers can't tell me nothing. I'd rather die than to listen to you. My DNA not for imitation. Your DNA an abomination.
And don't forget, follow me on Instagram, Sporties.
That's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And on Monday, Tuesday, tell me which way did she go? She went the other way.
Estimated like expansion teams till I flex them championship fingers. The aroma, Doja lingers.
Word up, you know? I rose dolo from state to state. Ha ha. Word up, you know what I mean? Yeah. I just want to link up with those getting it like I get it.
Welcome back. As usual, of course, there's too much money in this field to be focused on one thing when dealing with a car. Some of y'all too prissy for grunt work, running from wrestling with interiors. I bet a few of y'all hung up the phone when you heard of a Hyundai Elantra with cloth seats, needing that interior done. Gotta get diversified, my guy. Them soccer moms got that Skrilla. It's whatever you prefer though. Exterior, interior, preferably both. Once again, it's on. About to go face to face with some wet sanding, but in this case, the damage is done. The scratches are few, can be removed, but some dents and deeper scratches will remain. The customer's aware of this though, but once this is done, in order to have a clear view of actual damage prior to an auto body estimate. Some of y'all out there are able to take it to a whole nother step, providing dent removal or paint matching. Gotta salute that. Too many ways to get paid. Excuses just don't work like they did when you broke nowadays. dealing with wet sanding, watching this video, and many others will only truly make sense when you do it yourself. Many of you are going to ask about the paper grid. Did I use a sand block? Where's my paint depth meter? What sandpaper's better? Go side to side or up and down? I'ma just ignore all of it. So go find a car panel, get the fundamentals down, make mistakes, and more importantly, get massive cars under your belt. Don't get it twisted, I see him. Boot camp questions flying in. Next year will be the year when it becomes a service to purchase. But since paying is always best, keep submitting them inquiries. Be on deck with no days off. And no doubt, salute to the new wave. Of course, Camden, New Jersey. Once again, everybody ain't gonna make it. But for those who are serious and grind through those bad times and don't give a fuck what others think, now that's who deserves success. Just be honest with yourself. Many of y'all don't put in no pain. Just hope we can believe in like Obama. Like, subscribe, and share.